Take 2 kilograms chicken. I am using a fine, not too sharp, knife here. The spots on the chicken should be removed well with the help of hands, and where you have to use a knife, rub it with your hands lightly. Some of the bacteria are so tightly attached that you could not remove them no matter how many times you wash. Other bacteria strains will rinse off, but this isn't necessarily a good thing. Raw chicken almost always contains Campylobacter, a bacteria strain that causes diarrhea, fever, and cramping. What happens if chicken is not cleaned properly? Salmonella, Campylobacter and other harmful bacteria live on raw chicken. Washing or rinsing doesn't remove this risk. It worsens it by helping the bacteria spread. When you add water through washing or rinsing, remove the blood clots well with the help of the tip of the knife. We mostly ignore it, which is harmful. What happens if chicken is not cleaned properly? Salmonella, Campylobacter and other harmful bacteria live on raw chicken. What are the disadvantages of not washing the chicken well? Filled circle, red, irritated skin. Filled circle, an inflamed or swollen throat. Filled circle, swollen tongue or lips. Filled circle, sneezing. Filled circle, nausea or vomiting. Filled circle, stomach cramps. Washing or rinsing doesn't remove this risk. It worsens it by helping the bacteria spread. Now wash the chicken thoroughly with clean water. Put filtered water in a pot and add a teaspoon of salt in it. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Now put the chicken in this water. Now soak it for about 35 minutes. After 45 minutes, remove the chicken from the salt and vinegar water and wash it with clean water. Now, you use paper towels to pat dry the meat. Throw that paper towel or paper towels away immediately. Then wash your hands.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, keep watching Beauty Tips by Amina. Bye bye.